हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द वर्चुअल टीचर। इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे क्लास 9 बुक का जो चैप्टर 1 है उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर हम लोग पिछली वीडियो में देख चुके हैं। ये एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग टेम्परेचर टू सेल्सियस स्केल 293 के 470 के। तो हमारी सॉल्यूशन है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 273 के। तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है। तो इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 293 माइनस 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस। ये आंसर है। 470 के दिया हुआ है तो 470 माइनस कर देंगे हम किससे, 273 से। तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 197 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग टेम्परेचर टू द केल्विन स्केल। इसमें हमें क्या करना है, टेम्परेचर को केल्विन स्केल में बदलना है। तो 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस दिया हुआ है और 307 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो सॉल्यूशन क्या, 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस बराबर क्या होता है, 273 केल्विन। तो 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू क्या लिख देंगे हम, 25 प्लस क्या कर देंगे, प्लस कर देंगे 273 केल्विन का। तो हमारा आज आंसर आ जाएगा 298 केल्विन। बी 373 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो क्या होगा, 373 प्लस 273 केल्विन। तो आंसर आ जाएगा 646 केल्विन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। गिव रीजंस फॉर द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जर्वेशंस। ए, naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Answer, at room temperature, naphthalene balls undergo sublimation wherein they directly get converted from a solid to a gaseous state without having to undergo the intermediate state, that is the liquid state. B, we can get the smell of perfume while sitting several meters away. Answer, molecules of air move at a higher speed and have larger intermolecular space. Perfume comprise of flavored substances that are volatile, which scatters quickly in air, becoming less concentrated over a distance. Hence, we are able to smell perfume sitting several meters away. Question 4. Arrange the following in increasing order of forces of attraction between the particles water, sugar, oxygen. Oxygen, gas. Water, liquid. Sugar, solid. Question number 5. What is the physical state of water? 25 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, 100 degree Celsius. Answer, A. At 25 degrees Celsius, the water will be in liquid form, normal room temperature. B. At 0 degrees Celsius, the water is at its freezing point, hence both solid and liquid phases are observed. C. At 100 degrees Celsius, the water is at its boiling point, hence both liquid and gaseous state of water vapor are observed. Question number 6. Give 2 reasons to justify water at room temperature is a liquid. A. Water persists as a liquid at room temperature since its melting point is lower then room temperature and its boiling point 100 degrees Celsius is higher. Similarly, a fixed volume is occupied by a fixed mass of water. Second, at room temperature, water does not have a fixed shape and flows to fit the container shape. As a result, water is a liquid at room temperature. B. An iron almirah is a solid at room temperature. Answer, B. Because its melting and boiling points are both above room temperature, an iron almirah is a solid at room temperature in the same way. First, an iron almirah is rigid and has a predetermined shape. Second, metals have a relatively high density. As a result, at room temperature, iron alumina is a solid. Question number 7. Why is ice at 273 K more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Answer. At 273 K, ice will absorb heat energy or latent heat from the medium in order to overcome fusion and transform into water. As a result, ice has a greater cooling impact than water at the same temperature, since water does not absorb the excess heat from the medium. Question number 8. What produces more severe burns, boiling water or steam? Answer. Steam produces severe burns. It is because it is an exothermic reaction that releases a high amount of heat which it had consumed during vaporization. Question number 9. Name A, B, C, D, E and F in the following diagram showing a change in its shape. Answer. Interconversion of three states of matter using temperature or pressure. Any state of matter can be turned into another. A. Solid to liquid, melting or fusion or liquefaction. B. Liquid to gas, evaporation or vaporization. C. Gas to liquid, condensation. Liquid to solid, solidification. Solid to gas, sublimation. Gas to solid, solidification. Thanks for watching.